Well, our aim in this problem, which is given in CBSE 2004 IPMT, is what is the unit of permittivity of the free space epsilon naught. So to know that, to get that, we shall go for the root of that. That between two charges there is a force of attraction or repulsion that is directly proportional to product of the charges and inversely proportional to square of the distance. The proportionality is eliminated with a constant in vacuum as 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q1 q2 by r square, where this epsilon naught is called permittivity of free space. Permittivity of free space. So it is a measure of nature of the medium to identify and to tell you how good the medium is or how bad the medium is in passing the electric field through it, right? We'll go into that values of epsilon naught as 8.85 in terms of SI system. That's not required here in this place. Rather, we would like to find the unit of that. It's quite easy to find the unit by writing the unit in each of this equation. Let's write that. Yeah, the equation starts with force. We know force unit is Newton. 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught. 4 pi is a constant, it won't have any unit. Epsilon naught unit, I have to find out. Q1 and Q2 are the charges. Charge has a unit of Coulomb. Both Q1 and Q2 will have the same unit because both are charges. So that is Coulomb square by meter square. Because R square is there now, that's meter square. So epsilon naught has a unit of, get the epsilon naught to this side and Newton to that side. Coulomb square by meter square and Newton. So the answer, so as for the options that is available for you is this. Option C. That's the answer for the problem. So permittivity of the free space, as I told you, is a measure of telling how comfortable the medium is or the free space is in passing electric field through it. You can also find its dimensional formula as the circumstance came here. It is simply force. So let us write dimensional formula. Not required in this problem, but in general learning, finding dimensional formula. We can do that by writing dimensions to each of the physical quantity. Force is MA, that is ml t power minus 2. 1 by 4 pi is a constant, no dimensions. Epsilon naught has dimension, we have to find out. Q1 is charge. Charge is IT because current is defined as rate of flow of charge, Q by T. So Q is IT. There is one more charge, therefore IT square by R square is length square or meter square. So epsilon naught has a unit of dimensional formula of I square T square by L square, and take everything else into the denominator. ml T power minus 2. So what's the dimension of epsilon naught is m, will come to the numerator, L power minus 1, L square and L cube, and that goes to the numerator, L power minus 3. T power minus 2 will go to the numerator and becomes a plus 2. There is already a plus 2, so it becomes a T power 4 I square, where I represent ampere in SI system, current. That's the dimensional formula of epsilon naught. So epsilon naught is permittivity of free space, which measures the electric conducting nature of the free space, right? Anyway, I want to tell you that 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught altogether has a value of 9 into 10 power 9 in SI system, right? Just for an information. That's it for this video. We'll come back with some another video solving the previous examination questions. Thank you for watching.